Hey, 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 welcome back to Melinda's
and Ray's
Messy Sink. Today's the day, y'all. We have measurements and weight coming up. But first, wanted to give a shout out to all of you guys who helped me curb my starvation that I was going through last week. I got so many great comments with eating more protein, eating more fat, making sure that I'm eating larger meals that will keep me full. So I implemented a lot of those things, and thank you. I finally have gotten past that where I'm starving all the time. So thank you guys so much. And that's what I love more than anything about documenting this journey, is that whenever we're facing an obstacle, we can come straight to you and you guys help us get through it.
Thank you very much.
So Ray, how's your week been?
Good. Little struggles with the heat. It's been hot here in the Midwest, and I work on a freight dock, and it's extremely hot.
Okay. And how's your appetite been?
Appetite, I haven't really had an appetite that bad. Good breakfast or good lunch, and that's it until the evening time, and I'm good.
Okay. Like I said, my appetite has been much better. You guys also helped me with my constipation issue. That has been better as well. I adjusted things, and more importantly, I kind of got out of this funk that I was in because I couldn't get full. Like, it was making me nuts. So thanks again so much. All right, so Ray is going to go over this week's Curious Minds Want to Know Part 3. And what was the question, Ray?
How do you like your steaks cooked?
And what did we find out?
We had 54 voters, and in the very bottom was at 4% was well done. I don't like mine well done. The next was rare. I don't like mine rare either, at 13%.
Okay.
And medium well, which is the way I prefer my steak, at 17%. The way Melinda likes it, well, she likes it, the last step, I'm sorry.
No, I like mine, what you're going to say now.
The medium at 26%, and medium rare come in with the winning number at 41%.
Awesome. So my steaks kind of fall between medium rare and medium. I just don't like them to be more done. More rare, as long as they're not like still mooing, I'm fine with that. But whenever they start getting too done for me, they taste like jerky or something.
They're a lot tougher when they're more done to me.
Yeah.
But I can do the medium well. I don't like the whole out of the red, so.
How you doing with, so Ray was a big Heinz 57 guy, and I was a big A1 person. So how are you doing with not using steak sauce?
I'm fine with that marinade that you've been putting on it. The seasoning has made them perfect for me, and I'm fine with it.
You're talking about the Redmond seasoning salt, right?
The Redmond seasoning salt,
yeah.
I'm fine with it, and that's good.
Yeah, that's how I've been too. We add a little bit of butter in there to make sure that we've got our fat going. We typically have ribeyes, and we haven't needed steak sauce, which is a bonus.
Yeah, it worked out really well, so I'm good with it.
All right, before we get to our measurements and our weigh-in, I just want to talk to you a little bit about how important this channel is. We say this all the time, but this was a good experiment for me. Sorry y'all, I'm a little bit off balance. I struggled this month for lots of different reasons. But not being accountable to come to you and give you a weight. Like, I flew off the rails, and then I'd come back and get it in line, then I'd go off the rails again. So for me not to weigh and have to tell you how much I weigh gave me way too much loosey-goosey in the month. So I don't think we're going to do that anymore.
No, I want to be held accountable with that scale.
Yeah, so you guys help us so much with your tough love, with your encouragement, all those things. But this month, I didn't do as well as I would have done, I don't think, if I was coming here every week and telling you what I'm weighing at. So for the month of June, you're going to see this on June 5th. So we're going to go back to telling you every month or every week our weight, and then we'll see the difference in weight loss and just see if I was having a hard time staying online or if it was the accountability factor.
So how did the live come out? Did people want to see us live or?
Yes, that's a great call out, right? Look at you. High five.
Did I pay attention?
He does pay attention, doesn't he? And sometimes he might actually listen. I don't know. But the live, we did have people tell us they'd like to see us do a live. So I need to do some practice with the software and to figure out how all that works. And then the big thing is Ray works Sunday through Thursday. So it'll be, the live would have to be either on a Friday or Saturday night. So I kind of want to look and see if there's any other channels that are doing lives the same night, to not step over them. I want to make sure that I can watch their live instead of trying to pull you guys away from their live. So
I know we've been watching Dr. Kimberly and his wife do theirs and joining in on that, so it's been really neat.
yeah, I've watched, because Ray works during the week, like I've said. So I've been watching, and if you haven't checked out these channels, I highly recommend it. I've been watching, obviously, Dr. Barry and Nisha on Mondays, and then Carnivore Quest. I love their channel, Larry and Cassie. They are so motivating. And then Intentional Carnivore, Sean's story is absolutely incredible. That man lost 243 pounds in 1 year. You talk about motivation. He's so encouraging. And then I also love Kip, and I think his channel is Carnivore Kip Barbecue and Cast Iron. I can't remember the exact name. I'll put it down in the description box. But he's very motivating on losing weight, but he's also an amazing cook. So I'm sure there's others that I'm forgetting, and I don't want to, how could I forget? Ready, Set, Keto. I love them too. James and Emily. They've got a really good live that they do. So I'll have all those channels listed below, but we will be planning a live. We'll give you plenty of advance notice in our community tab, and we'll have to practice because we don't know what we're doing, just to be honest.
It's live.
Yeah, but get your questions ready, and it can be about anything from diet to personal life, whatever. We'll do our best to get those answered. All right. The moment is here.
Hold on. What's our next poll?
I don't know. I got to come up with our next poll. So make sure you check out the community tab, and those post on Wednesdays at 2 p.m. We love to learn more about all of our subscribers and our guests that are visiting. So make sure you let us know in the comments.
I've been thinking.
What?
I want to know what their favorite meal is.
Okay. Well, there's our community poll question.
What's your favorite meal on Carnivore?
All right. I will get that posted for the poll posted on our community tab on Wednesday at 2 p.m. All right.
It's time.
It's time, y'all. Look, we're color coordinating and we didn't even mean to. We got to go to a wedding today, so I guess we're just going to be the couple in red. I don't know. But you know what? Hopefully people say the skinnier couple in red. That's what we really want to hear. So
I have gotten a few comments, so
that's amazing, babe.
I'm happy with it. So
yeah, people have asked me how much weight has Ray lost, those kinds of things. So I don't go anywhere because I work from home, so it's really hard for people to see me. You ready, set, and our fight against our weight is ready to go.
it's time for the weigh-in.
It is time. now that you've seen the weigh-in, you've seen us standing toe-to-toe, it is time for our fight with our weight results. A little side note, I am a huge boxing fan. Absolutely love it. MMA, boxing, kickboxing, I just love it all. So, this is how we are going to beat our weight. Ray, do you want to go first, or would you like me? How about I
Go ahead.
I'll go first.
I've been going first. You go first.
Okay. All right. So, since we started the carnivore diet, I have lost a total of 10.6 pounds. Like I said, the last month I was all over the place. I could not stay on track. I cheated. I did really, really well. Then I fell off the wagon. Then I was starving for a week and a half. So I was all over the place, but I'm still happy with my weight loss. And then total inches was 7.25 inches I've lost since we started. However, in this last month, I've actually gained 3 inches. And y'all, I'd love to tell you that I've been out at the gym pumping iron, but no. And it's odd places. I didn't gain any in my fat roll. I didn't gain any in my bust. It was like weird places like my thigh and stuff like that. So
that's the good thing about this diet. You can lose weight with no exercise.
Yeah, and then whenever you get to your weight, start incorporating exercise so you can get all toned back up. All right, so I lost 10.6 pounds. So Ray,
Don't fall.
So let's see what you did.
Well, I lost 23.2 pounds. And I lost 9.25 inches.
That is so good, I'm so proud
Thank
of you. 20, how much weight?
23.2 pounds.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so good. Ray has never, one time we did keto and we were on it for several months and he got down to around the 50 pound mark.
48 mark.
Yeah, around the 48 pounds. So we've been doing this a lot less and he's halfway to that mark. So fantastic. And so you said 23, right?
Yep.
All right, his first goal was 50 pounds.
I'm almost halfway there.
You're there? You're almost halfway. I don't know how to do math, y'all. Can you tell?
No.
My first weight goal was 20 pounds, and I am just barely halfway there. But I know I'm going to do better with having to come and talk to you guys every single Monday, and even in the lives will even help me be held accountable as well. So, anything else we can talk about today?
No, not really.
I do have one thing. I swell up really bad in the summer. My legs swell. Do you guys have any tips or tricks on swelling? I thought it was because I was cheating and eating carbs, and now I'm like doing really, really good. And I know the carnivore diet has to help me heal first before I really start seeing those inches and weight drop. Is that something that will just continue to go away, is the swelling in my left leg? Usually in the summer, in the heat, I just swell up and I hold water. So just curious if anybody out there has faced that type of situation and if they had any tips or tricks, or if I just need to let carnivore do its thing. All right, I think that's it for today, guys.
We thank you for watching and your participation in all the little polls that we take. It really helps out.
All right, don't forget, Jesus loves you.
We'll see you in the next one.